Upping ensures data consistency by allowing for the auto conversion of SKUs, shipping methods, and UOMs for your merchant into a business standard. To go here, select mapping, and then to choose to add a new mapping function, you can select either product mapping, shipping service mapping, UOM mapping, or freight time mapping. Choose add. Then you're going to input your original SKU to your new SKU, and then which channel it's going to apply to. You can either edit or you can remove your nothing. With shipping service mapping, the same method, click add, choose your value and your new carrier. With UOM mapping, unit of measure, you're going to choose your original value and then into your new UOM and which channel it's going to apply to. For freight term mapping, click add, choose your value, and then your new freight and which channel it's going to apply to.